Hi class, let's take a look at example 3. Now in example 3, all I need for any basic sketches, just the vertex and the direction that the parabola is actually going. So you're not plugging in more coordinate points. If you do need to plug in more coordinate points, then that's perfectly fine. So all I need is basically the vertex for you guys to identify it, and then the direction that it's actually going. So if I'm asking you for a sketch, that's actually it. If anything else is required, formulas will be provided. So, okay, so let's take a look at the first one. So your actual vertex, it's going to be, well, technically 0, 3. So 1, 2, 3, it's there. The value of A is 6, meaning it's positive. So in this case, your parabola, and let me use a different color, it's actually going to open upward in this direction. That's it. So if it just says provide a sketch, I need to see the vertex and the direction of the parabola. And careful on the sideways parabolas, because the H, K is backwards. So in this case, your problem B, your vertex, it's going to be, well, 3, 1. Let me rewrite it. So this is 3, 1. Remember that it represents which value makes that 0. And in this case, it'll be 3. That's your K value, which is the 1. So 1, 2, 3, 1. And then the values of A is equal to -2 or less than 0. Which means that this specific parabola, it's actually going to open downward. So that's actually all I need. Just the vertex and the direction that it's going. Careful on these. Your H, K, it's backwards. So let me refer you to the formulas. So if they're sideways parabolas, this is H, that's K. So technically, if you're looking at this one, your actual vertex, it's going to be 2, 0, which is going to be technically placed here. Then the other important coordinate point is the values of A. A is equal to -4, less than 0. So this parabola, it's actually going to open to the left. So it's going to open in this direction. So it represents this one, because you technically have a negative there. That's it for this one. Let's take a look at example, actually D. So your vertex, it's going to be 3, -4. Whatever value makes that 0. Your A is equal to 5, meaning it's positive, so it's going to open to the right. So we're looking at 3, so 1, 2, 3, -4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this particular one, it's actually going to open to the right. That's actually it. If they just want a basic sketch. If I'm asking for any of the other coordinate points, I will provide you with the formulas, because those require like an extra step. And the other, well, coordinate points that it will be asking, it will ask for the focus or the directrix, depending on what the specific problem is asking. But for basic sketches, that's actually it. So just the vertex and the direction that they're going.